Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the GoShare Driver Delivery Pros app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will let you deliver stuff and get paid. So as you can see, be your own boss, work when you want, and get paid weekly with GoShare. Earn money on a flexible schedule, driving your pickup truck, cargo van, box truck, sedan, or SUV. So basically, you can just turn your own car into a delivery service. And if you're wondering if this is legit or not, we haven't have any reviews here on Google Play. However, we have reviews here on Apple Store. So as you can see, there are 1-star reviews here. So project requests don't show on the app. Inaccurate payments and ridiculous payment system. And need some improvements. And app is horrible. And that is basically it. So there are also a lot of 5 stars. And they're rated 4.7 out of 10.2K ratings. However, I would advise you to try this app out first, since it's not a scam. However, it doesn't, from what I've read, it doesn't seem to be very good, and I would advise you to go with caution before actually making this your income. So I would advise you to not make this your main income. I would advise you to just make this as your side hustle and not your main income. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.